Welcome to AI in Daily Life. After watching this video, you will be able to identify the common use cases of AI in daily life. You will also be able to explore the benefits of AI's integration in routine activities. Have you ever wondered how your social media feed is customized to your preferences? Or how does an online store know the products you will like? Or, more interestingly, have you ever thought of temperature and lights in your home that adjust automatically? Welcome to the world of AI, where AI algorithms work to personalize your digital experience or learn your routines and preferences to provide a smart home experience. A report published on Statista.com suggests that within the last 5 years, the number of digital voice assistants being used in devices worldwide for day-to-day activities has rapidly increased from 4.2 billion to 8.4 billion units. AI is all around us. Whether providing personalized experiences, streamlining tasks with efficiency and automation, enhancing accessibility, improving day-to-day convenience, boosting safety and security, optimizing navigation routes, or enhancing healthcare facilities, AI provides numerous benefits in daily life. Let's explore a few such examples. AI makes our lives efficient and convenient by automating repetitive tasks and processes, saving time and effort in daily activities. Virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa employ AI algorithms to interpret and act upon voice instructions and help complete tasks, such as scheduling reminders, answering queries, delivering weather forecasts, and managing smart home devices. Further, in your smart home setup, AI empowers devices like thermostats, lights, and security cameras to understand user habits and preferences over time. This allows you to automate tasks such as temperature adjustments, lighting control, and security alert notifications, enhancing convenience and energy efficiency. AI uses a recommendation system to analyze vast amounts of data to provide personalized recommendations in areas such as entertainment, social media, and online shopping. Have you used streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, or Spotify to watch movies, podcasts, or music? All these platforms offer personalized suggestions based on the user's viewing history and preferences. Similarly, social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram personalize the content based on the user's interests and past interactions. Likewise, e-commerce platforms like Amazon and eBay use AI algorithms to provide personalized product recommendations based on the user's browsing history and purchase behavior. AI-driven chatbots aid customers with their queries, and visual search technology enables them to find products by uploading images, further enhancing the online shopping experience. AI plays a significant role in enabling security across various domains with which we interact in our daily lives. These include cybersecurity, such as encryption, access control, and risk assessment. Fraud detection to detect fraudulent activities in financial transactions, online payments, and identity verification. Biometric authentication systems that use facial recognition, fingerprint scanning, or voice recognition. And AI-enabled video analytics, which enhances surveillance systems that monitor our investments, detect fraudulent transactions, identify credit card fraud, and prevent financial crimes. AI is transforming the healthcare sector, impacting our lives in several ways. AI chatbots and virtual assistants can provide 24/7 support, reminding you to take medication or offering basic healthcare information. AI-powered wearables, such as fitness trackers and smartwatches, monitor your heart rate, sleep patterns, and even blood oxygen levels. This data is crucial for identifying potential health risks early and monitoring your well-being. AI algorithms can help you diagnose diseases and personalize treatment plans through data-driven insights. AI is integrated into smart devices in numerous ways, enhancing user experience and functionality and making them valuable tools in our daily lives. AI enhances smartphone cameras with features like facial recognition, scene detection, portrait mode, and automatic image enhancement, enabling users to capture high-quality photos and videos effortlessly. AI-powered navigation apps utilize real-time traffic data, historical traffic patterns, and user feedback to optimize routes, estimate travel times accurately, and provide alternative routes to avoid congestion, improving the efficiency of daily commutes and travel planning. AI algorithms are utilized in keyboards and messaging apps to suggest words or phrases as you type, predict the next word in a sentence, and correct spelling and grammar mistakes, streamlining text input on mobile devices. In this video, you learn that AI's use cases and benefits in daily life are profound and multifaceted. You learned how virtual assistants and smart home devices use AI to automate routine tasks, making our lives efficient and convenient. How AI uses a recommendation system to provide personalized suggestions across various streaming, social media, and e-commerce platforms. Further, you learned how it boosts security and safeguards us against potential threats via biometric authentication and fraud detection. You also learned how AI transforms healthcare with wearables and diagnostics. Finally, you learned how AI's integration into smart devices enhances user experience and functionality.